A big part of your security is choosing the right video surveillance system. When you buy any surveillance system, you want to know that you've got the best security system for your money. With an IP surveillance system, you can rest easy knowing that your business is taken care of. Here are 3 benefits that put IP surveillance one step ahead of the rest. Image quality is one of the most important, if not the most important, aspects of any camera. If the image isn't clear, you won't be able to see what's going on, and the camera won't be of much help to you. This allows your security team to make better and faster decisions at the moment, helping them to safeguard your business more effectively. And as the resolution is increased, you can zoom into a pre-recorded video without the image pixelating. A big part of using your security system effectively is knowing how to deploy it in your business. The beauty of an IP CCTV system is that it grows with you, one camera at a time. This is a huge step up from outdated systems, which had to grow in increments of 4 or 16 cameras at a time. Finally, one of the major benefits for small businesses is the economics of IP surveillance systems. Simply put, they're a cost-effective way to manage your security each and every day. Since IP surveillance can operate on standard PC hardware instead of proprietary equipment, your management and equipment costs are dramatically reduced from the beginning. Does your business need an IP surveillance system? We help keep your home and business safe, whether you need 3 cameras or 30.